Hi, I'm Kelsey Gager. I'm the Vice President of Operational Excellence at Suffolk, where I focus on establishing standard tools, equipping project teams, and ultimately driving performance for our operations groups. I think we're really forced as an industry to try to discover ways to be more efficient as builders, and any opportunities to take away waste related to basic tasks or data entry is time that could be spent on solving problems and proactively addressing potential issues in the field to try to get the building built on time and on budget. So I think we've really prioritized selecting and scaling solutions that are going to help us deliver the project on time and on budget.
We're a very data-driven company. So it's more of a, here's how this tool is going to benefit you, which will then benefit the GC, which will then benefit the project.
We started looking to the market. Clearstory came up, and the digital T&M was the original pain point to solve for, is they wanted a central tracking mechanism and something that the subs could directly enter data into. But what we ended up discovering when we did the initial demo for that project with the Clearstory team was that there was a lot more there. The project team ended up using the full suite of tools and being really happy with the performance of it.
The traditional method is, subcontractor sends you COR log, could get lost, could get missent to someone. There's 4 other people on my team of the name Adam, so it could go to them and they just forget to forward it to me, and then a month later the sub's like, oh, did you receive this? Whereas this is just, again, that central repository of no information gets forgotten, no information gets left behind.
And I think what's been really helpful with implementing Clearstory is that it's an easy sell to the subcontractors.
We brought it to a few other project teams, showed them the tool, and based on their input and based on their feedback, it seemed like a no-brainer.
When we see teams organically adopting a solution and someone that's used a tool and then goes to their next project and they say, I would never do this project again without that tool, that's a good indicator of value.
You guys have kind of created a one-stop shop that incorporates, again, all the comments, all the tags, and it can seamlessly be brought through that change notification to T&M tickets, to change order request logs. I think your guys' solution is great. I think that's a huge future. And obviously it's a great relationship we've had with you guys.
So Clearstory is actually in our recommended tool bucket today. Kind of blows my mind that there are people that are still using the sort of the paper and pink slip submission method.